Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm gonna cover how to evaluate expressions with variables next to each other. Now, when we evaluate an expression, we find the value of the expression, so what it equals once we work through it. For examples, we are going to evaluate the expressions when x equals 6 and y equals 3 for the first example, and for the second example we have x equals 5, y equals 4, and z equals 2. So let's jump into number 1 where we have x, y. So when variables stand next to each other, that means multiplication. So I'm going to show you these two clear examples so you can master this quickly. So again, we have x, y. So as you can see, they are right next to each other. So this means we have to multiply the two. So the first thing we are going to get is we're going to get x times y. But we are given the values of the x and the y, so we can plug this in. So the x is 6 times the y, which is 3. So now we just do 6 times 3, and this will equal 18. So our final answer will be 18 for the first example. Now over to the second example, we have 2xyz. We have 2xyz. So this expression has a number in front, the 2, which means we multiply everything together. So let's substitute our values of our variables into the right spots. So the first thing we get is 2 times x times y times z. Now we can just plug all of these numbers in. So we have 2 times x, which equals 5, times y, which equals 4, and times z, which equals 2. So we have 2 times 5 times 4 times 2. So now we can just start multiplying the 4, and we're going to do this. So we have 2 times 5. 2 times 5 will equal 10. And now we can rewrite it all over again. So now we have 10 times 4 times 2. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do 10 times 4. Well, 10 times 4 equals 40. And again, bring this one down. And now we have 40 times 2. 40 times 2 is going to equal 80 as our final answer. So, and that's how you evaluate expressions when variables sit right next to each other. Just remember, no symbols means multiplication. So again, if the variables sit right next to each other, it means multiplications. So if you want more examples like this, let me know in the comments, of course. And this was basically the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, this was Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.